All right, so today we're going to be installing this new DPKH trigger. DPKH Holster sells these. This is a new trigger for the Makarov. You can see it's a little, got a different profile. Hard to tell, but there you go. Never disassembled one of these completely before. All right, it's empty. Let's go ahead and start by removing the grip. These are pretty tight because of the, see, this is how I don't know if you ever saw it, but this is how the mag release works for the dozer grips. It's literally just a piece of metal that slips in. Very cool. All right. This piece slides down. This is your mainspring and the fingers for the sear and whatnot. I forgot, we probably need to disassemble the slide. Sorry, whoop, there we go. Okay, now that we got all that out, let's see. Probably need to wipe all this off. Very oily. So we can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to look around the camera. It's kind of difficult. Never been good at this. Got me a little screwdriver here. So what you got to do is, you see this spring? I got to pull that. So I use this little screwdriver. There we go. Okay. Now, I believe just a matter of turning this and pulling out. Let's see. Oh, wait. There we go. That's right. Hold on. I'm trying to see around the camera here. There we go. Just couldn't see. Pull all that out. My wife's behind me aggravating me. Well, the trigger bar is stuck. There we go. All right, I gotta play with this. My hammer actually won't spin around and come out of this piece, so give me a few minutes. This hammer needs to spin around, and you see how this is cut with a little, it's got to slide in like this and then spin, so it was getting hung up. Okay, now got to remove the trigger bar. There we go. Now we should be free to remove the trigger. Where is my new one? Let's compare it real quick. Pretty big difference. Now it's just reinstall everything. Now your gun's completely disassembled, by the way. This is full disassembly, which you have to do in order to do this. Oops. There we go. Very neat. Okay, so that was a major pain in the ass. It actually wasn't too bad, I guess, but There we go, move that over. So I got the trigger bar in, I got the trigger in, got the trigger bar back in, got the hammer in, and got the sear in, and the magazine, the slide stop. You can see here. So yeah, so now, actually it won't, before there's no hammer spring. Let's go ahead and reinstall the springs. I have no idea. Wait, it goes like this. Wait. All right, so I got everything reinstalled here. Got the trigger in. I just finished. It's really hard to do all this on camera. Got the hammer back in, sear, slide stop, mainspring, and the holder. Let me go ahead and wipe this all down before I throw everything back together. Let's go ahead and reinstall this. This is the magazine release for the dozer grips. You can see how this works here. Slide back on the dozer grip. Ooh. This one has a lanyard loop. Just got to make sure that's down so it slides on, because I don't want it to be out because I don't have a lanyard. There we go. Reinstall the screw here. I guess this really wasn't a helpful video because I had to do most of it off camera. Reinstall the spring. Drop the trigger guard down. Reinstall the slide. Tighten this back up. I have to make sure it's really tight. Wipe it all down. Do a quick function check. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Safety. Put the hammer back. Decocker works. Yep, all good. It definitely has a way different feel. If you're used to the curved Makarov, it's very wide, it's flat. That's nice, very cool. I like it. Coupled with the extension, and there you have it. Very cool.